Inconsistent electrical work. Electrical systems are the veins of a home, and inconsistent or faulty wiring can lead to costly repairs, or worse, safety hazards like electrical fires. While a vintage home might have some charm, outdated wiring or amateur fixes could be lurking behind the walls. If you notice mismatched outlets, uncovered electrical boxes, or an abundance of extension cords and power strips, it's a clear sign the home's electrical system needs attention. Pay close attention to flickering lights, outlets that spark, or light switches that don't seem to connect to anything. These signs indicate deeper issues that could involve overloaded circuits, damaged wiring, or even an outdated panel incapable of handling modern appliances. Homes built decades ago often feature knob and tube wiring or aluminum wiring, both of which pose safety risks and could require a full system replacement. Electrical upgrades are not just about safety, they're about functionality. Imagine moving into your new home only to discover you can't run your microwave and coffee maker at the same time without tripping a breaker. Upgrading wiring or increasing the amperage of the electrical panel can easily cost thousands of dollars. The inconvenience and expense of fixing these problems can turn a dream home into a logistical nightmare. Before signing anything, make sure a licensed electrician has inspected the property. Look for signs of proper maintenance, like up-to-date panels, grounded outlets, and code-compliant systems. A home with reliable electrical work will save you time, money, and the stress of untangling outdated fixes.